Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I got a mechanical keyboard. I got a mechanical keyboard. It's not a capture card, but a mechanical keyboard. What are you doing? Oh yeah, this is the new house. We're now completely living it. So no videos in the new house. This is Meadow. Okay. Alright. But now on to the important stuff. Mechanical keyboard. This is the K66 mechanical gaming keyboard. There's different lighting modes, which you already knew because you just did. I can show you. Cat would get out of the way. You're so close to the camera. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What did you just do to my beautiful? So I got this like today, I think. But usually, yeah, I just did tomorrow. I mean, yesterday. So this is another of my uploading spree. I have like 1,000 videos to upload. All I have to say is I need help. What was that? Can't see it. No, I keep on doing that. I'm such a bad cameraman. So, this is what happened. Okay, the audio on this has to be like 0. So yeah, this is my mechanical keyboard. Just got it in a better position. So this is my mechanical keyboard. I just said that. Some little thumbnail. Alright, let's do the thumbnail. Alright. I guess I'll have it like closer. It's backwards. Yeah, I'm sorry. Let's get it. Like I said, it has different lighting modes. If I can find the function button. Here's another lighting mode. Cool. It'd be easy for me to do it like this. This lighting mode, which you probably knew it had. Most people think most LED mechanical keyboards have this lighting mode where all the keys are lit up. It should probably be like, okay, thumbnail should be like, if I can like do this. This should be my, I got my thumbnail. Perfect thumbnail right here. Perfect. Or actually, my sister can do the thumbnail. So this is my sorry, my intro is kind of gone. I have a new intro. Sounds like a cherry MX Blue. It's basically, that's weird. All right, so there's this sliding mode. The breathing lighting mode. Most keyboards have this, not all. Mechanical or LED keyboards. I become like an ASMR channel for some reason. Oh yeah, I've never actually used this, but there's our kickstands. Oh, ouch. Okay. It's not staying plugged in to my Xbox. That's a problem. So this is like the filming area in the basement. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and put that plug. So the cord is not like hurting me. There we go. That's better. So yeah, there's these stands right here. Two. Some channels don't like their voice to be in their videos for some reason. There's this sliding mode, or you press a button. That fades away. Alright, now next sliding mode. Shout out to Kyler. He's on TikTok and he drew me, and he's trying to help get me back on YouTube. Right now I'm filming before my YouTube channel is back. Thank you. He's one of the people out of the 5 who helped on TikTok and stuff. I don't know why they banned me. So, shout out to him. Thank you for helping me. My channel is just a great person. On TikTok. I have him linked in the description. So this is one of my favorites. Actually, one of my favorites. My favorite. Wave one. It just sends a wave of LEDs. It's like, who does not want this? Like, it's insane. But without further ado, let's get this one. So this one, it's like where you type on it, and then here. Where you type on it, and then where you can record it. So like, I wanted to record my WASD, the arrow keys, and then escape and the spacebar, and then that's how it would work. show you it in action. And then to save it, I think it's F and push pause. We go here. Yeah, and then so there. You can get the software for this and be like better, but for us without the software, this is always there. So I don't like, and then to record, you hit scroll lock. My friend for scroll lock. I think. I had a lot of trouble with it. That was way too long. I should have cut that bit out. So yeah, I got a mechanical keyboard. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. This is, let me spell, Trident Pseudo IDNTSALE. Subscribe and like a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.